Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making lentils with burrata.
Okay, first thing we're going to do here, make a mustard dressing. So we're going to use extra virgin olive oil, some red wine vinegar, mustard, Dijon, some caster sugar, some salt and some pepper, and give it a good mix round. Nice little mustard dressing is for salads, but we're going to use it in this recipe, which is a really nice little, I suppose it's vegan really, I was going to say vegetarian starter. Absolutely beautiful, dead simple as well. All the classic stuff we do in every Chef Rick video, probably. Chop an onion, make sure you keep the root intact, chop it in half, chop it lengthways, and then chop it the other way. I've seen it a million times. There you go, nice little small piece of onion. I didn't film chopping a carrot, you're probably glad of that, but anyway, that's a carrot chopped and diced. You can randomly pick any other one of my videos and you've seen me chop a carrot probably. So chopping some garlic, you smush it down with the back of the knife and then you just work it left and right, over and over, keep bringing it back to the middle. Same when you're chopping anything, just takes a little bit of patience, not too much skill. There you go, chopped up garlic, straight into an Illy coffee cup. Celery, it's a classic combination here. Onion, celery, carrots, garlic. Chop inside little celery sticks, sideways on. And chop them down so nice and small. And then thyme. So we're just gonna, again, just run your fingers down. It's pretty easy, although look, top tip from an old Chef Rick video from the old ratatouille where you can pull it through a sieve. Any fans of the channel, you might remember that one, probably not though, he's only had 400 views. Chopping up the thyme, just like we did with the garlic, and straight into a coffee cup. And here's a bit of a basil oil. So some fresh basil leaves, salt, and extra virgin olive oil, and give that like a good blitz up. Put that in a blender or a NutriBullet or whatever. I borrowed this thing off a neighbour. A bit more oil. There you go, so that's a lovely little basil oil. Right, let's get cooking. So pan on the stove with some extra virgin olive oil. In with the chopped carrots, the celery, the onion. That's the thyme. Good pinch of salt and pepper. Garlic. And now cook this on a low heat for at least half an hour. You want it to go really soft but not get too much colour on it. You'll see, look at this. That's really beautiful, smells amazing. Now in with some lentils. Now look, I'm putting a packet on there. They're not a sponsor. I've just never seen these before. I was gonna, as part of this, show how you cook lentils. It's super easy. I'll do another video on it, but yeah, they were just one that I got from a shop. They were amazing. In with that mustard dressing, and that mustard dressing brings everything to life. Just gives it. It's just, yeah. That's what makes the difference in this one. Get yourself a nice hot plate. Little portion of this out there with some of that basil oil on top. Tear up some fresh burrata. Little basil leaves on the top there for decoration, and there you go. Really delicious, full of flavour. That mustard comes through. Your soft vegetables, the lovely cooked lentils. Yeah, the soft creamy cheese. It's a beautiful vegan starter. They'd be very happy to have. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching it. It was a pleasure to make that one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.